Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while. It's just been so chaotic with my sisters leaving for college, and it was my birthday this past weekend, so it's been pretty busy. It's just been really hectic, so I haven't really had a lot of time to dedicate to my channel, but today I'm going to do another makeup look. I do this look almost every time I go somewhere, and it doesn't take long because it's very simple, but it's just enough to... Why? Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted, I do this look all the time. It's really simple, it doesn't take long, and it just is enough to make your face kind of bam. You know, you can wear anything with it. You can wear casual clothes, you can go out, you can go to school, you can go to work. It's a very well-rounded look so that you can wear it really anywhere. So, well, that was enough talking and getting annoyed with people with trucks outside. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First things first, I always put my hair back. I don't always put it in a bun because sometimes if my hair is still damp, it's like, it'll crease and then I have to go over with a straightener. But I love these clips. I get them at the dollar store and they're like literally just perfect. Just clip your hair in the back and then boom, you're ready to go. And so then the first step before anything too, this is a moisturizer I've been using and I freaking love it. I mean, like, you don't need a lot because if you put too much then your face is overhydrated at that point, but I love this stuff.
After moisturizing, I go in with my e.l.f. Pore Minimizing Primer. Since it's summer, I'm a little bit more tan than usual, so I take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in shade Soft Beige and mix it with my Fit Me foundation in shade 310. I'm also using a MAC stippling brush for blending in my foundation. Next I go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in shade Light Ivory, and then I will blend that in using a dampened beauty sponge. To do my eyebrows, I use the Brow Stylist Sculptor in shade Brunette. Then I take a spoolie and brush out the product. I do this so that it blends seamlessly with my natural hairs. Once it's all brushed out, I take a flat brush and I take some more of the concealer I used earlier, and I will carve out my brows to make them look very clean. Next, I will be using the contouring palette from Wet n Wild in shade Dulce de Leche, and I used the light banana powder to go over the areas I used the concealer, and then the bronze shade to contour and bronze my face. I know a lot of beauty gurus, if they end up watching my video for some reason, will be ashamed of me for using this big of a brush to contour my nose, but honestly it's so easy and I don't have the time to take a small tiny brush and, you know, really get in and perfectly shape my nose how it is. It looks fine the way I do it, so it's just an easier way, I guess. Next, I will be taking the Happy Birthday palette by NYX, and I will be using the taupey shade out of there. This is really a one shadow look, and then later on I do go back in with that champagne color. It's a shimmer, and I put that in the corner of my eyes. But this makeup look is super simple, and yeah, I just only use those two shades out of the palette. I'm not sure if you can purchase the palette. I got it as a gift for my birthday last year from Ulta, so I'm sure there's a way to get it though if you really want it. Next is blush. I don't know where I got that palette or who it's by. I can't find any type of label or shade description on the packaging, but I know it's peachy, and I mean there's a lot of them like that, so you could buy any peach color. Then I go in with my Holy Grail $4 highlighter from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Precious Petals. I know that this one has been out and it like had a huge, like everybody was raging about it on YouTube in the beauty community, but I still go to that one every time I do my makeup. I have tons of other highlighters, but just I feel like nothing compares to this one, and it makes me feel so good because I'm not breaking the bank using it. For lips, I will be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. This one is in shade London. It is my all-time favorite. It's great for any time of the year. And then I'll be going over it with the Rimmel Stay Glossy Lip Gloss. I forgot to record this part, but I used the Flower Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray in the matte finish, and I absolutely love the setting spray. Got it at Ulta. I tried it out and I love it.
Alright guys, well that is the finished look. Like I said, it's super simple. There's like, I mean, I think the part that stands out the most is the eyes, and that's one eyeshadow, but it's just because like my eyes are a light brown color, so the taupey brown like really makes my eyes pop. And also like having cleaned up eyebrows is like always a good look. So, but other than that, it's like a pretty natural basic look. I do have eyelash extensions though, so I didn't have to apply false lashes or mascara. I would if I didn't have eyelash extensions, but my boyfriend got them for my birthday, and I never had them before, and I thought they were going to be a little bit more difficult, but they saved me so much time. And like, honestly I don't wear makeup anywhere else but like if I'm going out or like if I'm filming a video. Anyways, this is the finished look. Everything I used was drugstore, so that means that, you know, no matter what kind of budget you're on, you'll be able to pull off this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that it was easy enough to follow along with. I'm gonna try to do a lot more makeup videos. Some aren't gonna be as basic, some are gonna be like very creative and artistic and colorful. So if you're into that kind of thing, then definitely stay tuned with my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot more. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.